Medium SHS ne other way no. Then away
Mimi was free SHS, me free secretariat national.
National. Wow.
Wow. Yeah, Maba Ashanti region, Abembua regional coordinator. Now I share monitor school selections.
Wow, and placement in Intinawaba.
Me power train.
Oh, wonderful. And yeah, actually, Heidi, I will be some of them. But they didn't come up. But first of all, Mammy Francisca, I and share what you were watching. It was screens SHS4, and look at how almost a brutalizer or headmaster, not just a teacher or a head teacher. Now, share this thing happening. I mean, akoso, excuse me, brave. A den pa na AC wo ye SHS ni mu. E den na ekoso.
Yo ye bedi ka chia motifo na ye den chia kesi ama ye nana otumfo na ifrua yakoye regional minister na yatia His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Say or resete omaino na omana kudru baby a ye nyina yakoma bedwe. Very unfortunate. Asema esia no pay. Enya asem papa esia machin. Indiscipline in our schools no year too much. Because me who the reason why your disciplinary committee of all the schools na assemble omun taking it on na enkura ni timide mra bi hye omunsem so omu beye de omu eye ye wi a aha meti de mintimi take decision say me ye we ana we but me free happy me go school hono na yakwa akoye ye investigations ye wi a ye war minister wa ha no ye be report ya ma minister na immediate action be taken be ha will be taken.
Wow. But didn't na sa no may so recently we share reports na bus students na say ye mu atrehye for obehwe na ye kosese school no ma ye contract enya omo ne omo kolisa on the teachers or on school properties or are you too many? How do we solve this?
Yeah bano na me name sister Mika say em say free SHS na abeye free. And to be and Cranful say be free.
Okay.
And not under His Excellency John Dramani Mahama administration.
Right.
The dahon ye the better baby eda. Because unim akrebi honoma oko school sebe obu okra ne ma mimpo onsi ho enkonkore the akwala na ye.
E wo school
ho.
Okay.
Eniema bebre na asisi a uko school ha most of the time no and quality me attack teachers. Yo muno mu ye adwuma. Ma memfa nyina hini Catholic secondary. Mo kai be 1 month ago. Student be ne teacher me call school. Na the see ni. Omo hostel just opposite the school. There is a hostel teacher ni no eti hobby. E kan kwala no. Ti teacher ni dia to no ho so say oh eduru anwumra mo colleagues observe prep. And by 7, you should also be observing prep because it just opposite the school.
Right.
And so we are more pon schooler. No, I catch them some didi. Didi we are by 7 as mo transition there. Just a moon and more board in a
yeah.
Now, penesa. Into the omo and say teacher ni no kwaka no. And omo far omo team omo gang from town. So my attack teacher and say or how o my drink. Into school no. Omu hrusi school mu honum oba besia abaya na teacher ni na ekono okotwe teacher ni from ne bedroom etitis teacher ni na tade enti teacher na o shedem ho na no omu boni prum no odimrika efre police na police for call ti edi case ni koye no akra no ono ankasa agitu mu se waye boni enti court ejai teacher ni say onko but they see and say e buy no onu ni mess na omo ye nkwase omo mom na video ye e de beto social media ti say ya e be ya onu ti say teacher ni na edifo 2 ye won kola bi onu ma omo ni mo journalist fo yi bi e ye adwuma enti no any say omo timi ye assembly school hope no more video no mo dey to social media na mo so mo crofo ni bi so dey just to tarnish the image of our sitting president.
No, but say enye true.
Asem bi ono ma school.
Once there is evidence.
One back betimi asisi o schools, but ebu akra na nya asem, but the umbesia aka asem no.
Je hin bi no wahu anya asem sa.
Bebre na mehu.
It is an issue ben bi sa na wahu a. O matwa to wan se na hia.
Enkura ni bi ho no ma, entokwa betimi asi ana bibi kakra betimi asi was enkura misunderstanding no matwa na social media. No dey ama obi. 3 enye se bia ye ka we ni nyina no emma say omoye de omoye ni bi wa enye no kra most of them ye no kra because ekra bi kra timi bo teacher ni asum IT teacher ewo Adanwoma secondary school. I was there but me quite unfortunately na head na suspended no na wonim ya na most of the time form 3s no mo ko area school akono omo na time misbehave pa because of say me wie school akọ enti me wie a ana case bi on man kra no so betumi aye or say to 2 secondary SHS me ko ye me akasa personally me congratulate nkra no me say my ade
adan
o my ade because edru enwumra Pragia driver mu video bi be 3 months ago on TikTok say Pragia driver e bi sumbu e wo makumi o mabrom wo ekropon nkra no ko prepper na omu books omu niema ani bibia wo ho na omaduane mpo omutimi dura dormitories ekosisa omaduane omudi ewie omu niema omu phones
na is a riders ni free abontin be yes
ebeye
security ni school
security was school na omu ba omu the gangs and knives and cutlasses to attack our students enti nkura ni ye no omu forming gang. I have the video with me omu ye gang no so okay ene saade amoba nti se ba ko sori ko se o ko washroom no ma attack no so we sorry se o kwa no ma attack no to mu ye na nkransi no ene saade e be ye gang nti school Pragia for ne ba omo ba so omo be tena wall ne omo ba no ma fro wall na TS school and now why you know OT for a long time so and nkra no over 2,000 students they came out and omo attack a Pragia driver no. And to me quite me friend school prefect the whole assembly hall na me friend and he explained say omu books bibi bakro master no matete on books no mo omu shit on why bibia they destroy it and in most of the time ne so no enkra no so ya na omu debate ebeto social media and I'm say dig deep into assembly no yes school for nkola wenye but they need to also protect themselves.
But we agree say majority na ye who social media ends up to be true and yes ebinum na tarnish the image is a reality on the ground.
Oh no, it's a be on ma a real but
because the all kinds of students ne fefo air kunti o ma betwa to onya simbia no we are supposed to instill discipline e wo students ni munti say omo ku dormitory na e bi obekwa akoka say no obo me credit teacher ni be say wo enya no credit because e bi wo mbrai but onya that
enya simbia enya simba tun say ye kohunu social media ebu a odi nti wenti na momo de koto ho wo hu
what must actually be done DNS ne yanka
to solve this issue say enkra no na recently let me say minister mo afre for conference be omo be frɛ from
okay
enkra omo de omo ye indiscipline omo be ko form one way wo awofo no scholarship na bind them omo for 3 years
okay
and it's free. Abang this time around, His Excellency, do back school be and Timin can't me say na oni aduane.
Scholarship says is it different from
free SHS scholarship.
Right, yeah. So what kind of scholarship? Maybe we may thinking of free SHS. Omo enjoy free SHS.
Yeah,
free education BBA. And she said, me do ko baby free now so on tena ho. Say me you free ho.
Okay.
And crown indiscipline in our school is going to stop this time round. Not under our administration. Oh, and crown you be friendly.
But you are no more in it.
Ye be you wedi no akotena fee. And to all ba school o ma mi su advise you. Me all student of St. Louis.
Right.
And St. Louis eda me call ho no ma me ko nsi ese nkura bi akose kaato. The headmistress couldn't control herself because this is not the St. Louis she was saying. Say Louis, who dare you? And you know, say ye and ye me bia. Ya enkrano ye ba ye form school na o ma obi wono ma sebi ye ma me no e me mi so ma me ti dwom saa but o ba sese wo hu kwan a obefa so abetu obafo answer and ye be see to is akola bi obe misbehaving or quiet he or she is not coming back to our school
ye be inedi wow
two enyema e koso no Eddie. Ebinum ko there are some schools hotels bi on man sembu ayentumi nka akra no wo school na hotel eduru anwumra no makose hotel ne bia ememma chese nyema AC no
omo ye hookups
it's more than that and you know some kra ni nyomo ye na we this time omo last time omo de ehu sa nyema
SHS for nkoda
me na me catch nyema ekoso school no ebro ye so and you know ye behwe say discipline there ebe ye adwuma wo ye school.
Wow. Yeah, when is it starting?
It's starting now.
Hey, Ashasi, where ye kwani ye kovie investigations ye hu say there's some no mo to head in the sono enche saa.
They should all be expelled, I think.
Ye be you mo de free school. Na mo say school so property. O ma me went to udwane a o maame no papa will be arrested, they will be prosecuted and ombetuaka
akola na koy boni no ti awofo no
betu and who na so two bafo.
Wow. Ede moni abre pa
ye ni abre ye mtrima o mine say under ye administration I said that ye ni
right.
I think collaborative way between the school, the teachers and the parents, because the level of indiscipline this time around, no, I bear too much, and they say charity begins at home. Sometimes, no, it depends on the kind of a fear now free, because when you are from a home where there is discipline, school, there are some things I want to mean. Fine, there will peer pressure. Was school, but when there's some level of discipline from the house, from your home, that's in a year free fear. School, so I think it's a collaborative thing. I say parents no, and yes, obako school now we jaibi piama debi. Because right now, no, the indiscipline in the schools, no, it's getting out of hand. But we are going to ensure that we'll figure out a way to stop it as soon as possible before it gets out of hand. You are the National Free SHS Secretariat. Yes, and Rosemary, you know about all these things, the ECOSO schools. How effective is our PTA thing? I mean, we have Parent-Teacher Association. They dialogue, they find solutions to issues like this and all that. How effective is that? Nancy, saying it here. It's very, very effective. I think, Ms. Mark, you go round. I think Mark will answer because they normally go round to do monitoring when it comes to those things.
And they report to you?
They report to the national. Yes, please.
Mark, Deputy Ashanti Regional Coordinator for Free SHS. Mark, my update, how effective is that?
With PTA any free SHS on the first no
first
no muji PTA ni sinchen stop you muju medie bebre.
Okay.
Now you're saying still PTA in the back and but okay. Now on the country no in the inception of free SHS no your man students no some liberty any authority be over their teachers.
Yeah.
So child rights any animal. And even punishing students in schools no crab be difficult.
Yeah.
A teacher, any student in issue, a teacher near Bepamos is here. And then within the free SHS system, no, there is no failing.
In failure,
a wholesale true, no one in every.
Yeah.
So last year, the member making last year, you're stopping Krabe 10 or so from Owaremai.
Okay.
Yamomantra was.
Okay.
Because Obi Makwanyem was full school mube 1 year, 2 years, after no more babako, a drew was no more babe register, ababe or do stuff. In Tiama, that discipline structure na ne wo your senior high schools na eco form. So I think your sector minister Edikan I raise that issue of punishment and indiscipline na school. You believe say one of the schools omuko ball search no omu contraceptives weed knives and those bleaching tablets nane
or the bleaching the skin
to aya kese those no
o man no fune ne to aya kese
this one
omo num ni nyina o school mo
omu hu onkra no ayimu enti these are the things SHS
oh,
yes.
Hey,
so the
it's
because
bad.
a free SHS never a wholesale policy now obiafa musa because akran so treasure snow failure obeka na nema
yeah
obey serious akran nim say wanya certain grade be school ni register na obey now fear be wo headmaster nim enti headmaster nim say me ko failure akra we me ko yesi ya me na pressure ne beba me so I quite remember say prempe failure students be
college.
Yes, almost failing students. You catch them said there will be no space for them because the scholarship is for 3 years. In Seunya failure krana, that means the third year also tuya on one school fees.
Also na mom penisa.
Now the government policy wasn't in favor of that, so they had to promote it. Since the inception of free SHS, there is no field.
Okay.
There is nothing. Into no so munda musa. I used to teach. At times I be better about Form 1. Unhuni bio no about Form 2 term and I Form 3 first term no about register was
oh yes
all my school ni bi now I do registration about register
no parent bi ba me ho be 2 weeks ago wo ko school o hwe ne ba na wo hu no wa akra na koto prage ya no te konongo etwi enti eduru anwumra no wa ba beda enti azam se kura won tro enti ne ma me ba ho no se ka de how fe no ka se na ye bisa nse na dabe na wokọ classes onko
next week
o ma me nim say it is come be man so mfani na o de akoto dabre se diesel aguni prague yem no de ye adwuma for almost 1 year on see classroom that
banda free SHS no you be register no
yes, the headmasters will be forced to do that. It's na say na ye DNC for man first badge ya omuwie e wo ye time no be refuse you my friend say being registered to write was
and mama and register
yeah my own register because untimi nkotene fie a whole 2 years also mu program no crime they say it's not 3 years it's about 2.5 years now we nkotene fie almost 1.5 oba form 1 kakra bi now oba form 3 abesoso that period ni nyina de musu enti omuso na ekodru wasia omusi teacher for na amoaye
because on when you are
invigilation no mind den that for hono so ma start take kan yemagu no ma market teacher we school e babo yes be because akra no am prepared throughout the period from 3 na no aba into peda chance no dey upon ne ma betro the teacher ni yes straight so ma ne say ikima then ne ubehu de be ebu all scroll mo kwa no maka che omu form 2 for no teacher ni we edru wasia we mafia pa nti munya na mo mafia no na that inception no won kra ni tirim nti ebedru wasia nkra ni nyina nti teacher we mafia you see now ye hwe Kumasi Sports Stadium o ma say dem abebri o we dia intercode sa ne man kra o mo koye won even among their selves o ma say dem abebri o
it's true Marco Wusubefi, Deputy Ashanti Regional Free SHS Coordinator, Mame Francisca, Edu Yebo Ansoha, on-air coordinator, Free SHS Ashanti Region, and then the rep from National Secretariat, Free SHS, Rosemary Ekwia Nyen, and so Ewaha. But Mame Francisca, coming to Free SHS, now you have videos of a name, biwa enye papa, niade, I mean, at first, now what you say, de woman, and say, they say, how is the funding and the management of the feeding itself?
Enuania enye papa nisa now the extent of the past.
Right.
Ye be koso. And then uko schools ma. Few unza aka krebini amakwai. Ene bia o ma shorty bia 1 or 2 items bia omuntumi. Eduane de ye kokra na now you're turning most of our classroom to warehouses.
Okay.
Because enuane ne ba omunya baby ama schools na heads na adults ama heads nka say yes mamu mfa bi o ma
na munya sika tua ka de
ye tua
mo je supplies na mu tua
say supply bi amba so ye de gala
say ba who say budget cry about 4.3 billion
enuane ne die na eba ma ebi kra there are some schools kra na to say esam ne ade no say enche enti ebi ma start to cry say yeyi etugu
nanze dia no cry enta hu videos ya o de nkwan ni nsuo ya tomatoes ni na mu ya enta hu
kumaka for instance
right
mackerel egu ho no echai poku trading
emu kro no bo no so
emu kro no bo say dey bibia ye monitor everything bibia did
omu nuane no
ebi wia ye nya complaints ma ebi mu wia bi but
it's not as
bad as ye gusu aye manage wo
ti omu wia sa mo ye omne
ye wi omo ye de more GS because I'm gonna employ them, and the director Dr. Amankra is doing so well to support the free SHS secretariat. Ebasana or no or boani ubedru hona matron for any idea or musua any idea and no dear and no yani jaima GS to deal with them
on one handle. But quickly on the double track effect ayenya from the double track now free SHS coordinator in Ashanti region at say
not bad.
Because that 2027 year any mampeni promise is it minister they call 2029. It means there's a double track and the is here 2029.
We need a lot of facilities.
Right.
Yeah, say a day because untimi start say enuma air cost so gradually kakra any betimi ayi every system nim.
Okay.
Enti yentumi nka say immediately na ye na nkra akọbọ aboso school just say enough classrooms, enough desks, way to support us.
Okay.
Into gradually no
more all right. Mamemra Rosemary from National Secretariat. Now I think say omo etimi afa free SHS mwe ni ade they are now supposed to be placed. I mean placement no ashas here and I say mwedrum pempenso ben and how is it run? My brief nekakra.
I think for this week no what we are doing is Nkodano more selection school selections no.
Okay.
Where they select their schools and courses that they're supposed to do.
Okay.
So I think we've given them up to Friday for everybody to submit whatever schools they've selected.
So today is Wednesday.
Today is Wednesday.
So by Friday.
We started last week.
Okay.
Result no by last week. So yes.
Today are for
the whole of this week no sana we are co schools more share the way on selection and so far so good. It's been okay. Some of parents no being on results no yet but a school obi anya 34 ope ya santwa. You know, it's not going well. After selection, whatever we've compiled, you're better standing in a started placement.
Okay.
By the close of next week, I'm sure Nkodano school now.
Okay, but it's based on grades.
Based on grades and merit, what do you call it? The raw score.
Okay, and no tracing.
And no, a trace raw score.
Okay, deputy so obemaye enchimu. A tracing.
Now, baby, I drew no. Your stages are you didn't cry no school. So the first stage na and first 1 year so no bachelor or more exams or mature exams never.
Okay.
Now, baby, I drew ne say or more choose schools.
Okay.
Schools no more baby choose no. I feel na and can no choose school 6. They say you 2 school nimko 8. 8 schools na akrabia be choose 8 na be choose no akonya so be choose grade A school mienu.
Okay.
No choose grade B school miensa. No choose grade C school miensa. Grade A na we choose no. Last year nya problem bi akrabi wa no ashada fa grade A school bi day. Ofa ni day no nya wi ano abaye ho say yens baby oti ene baby school no ne muwa. Into yens san nya the boarding ema. Okay. See e be si sa de na no ntini grade A school na wo fa no. Ya say fa ba ko A no fa ba ko boarding. Na wa fa ba ko su day. Day no make sure say eben o. Baby a wote umpotem na sa school ni wo. Ansa na wa fa no. Your friend is say D. Tiavanze bia oya baya ote tanoso. When you St. Louis when you Yasanto ho. Since say Yasanto ben no befa Yasanto D. Na St. Louis na we chire no no afa na boarding.
Okay.
So wanye ne sa na se bia akofa St. Louis day. Na wote tanoso na o resource na ba no nya St. Louis a yentimi se sanin free day no. enko boarding ma.
Okay.
Grade B school no so ya ma ho akonya se fa grade B school no so miensa mienu be ye boarding na ba ko IED. Ubetima fa day bebre but say mostly who say nkra ne pe boarding school pa. Nti ye at least one day. Okay. Grade C school no so be family at least one miensa ti mienu boarding and why back so day. And your compulsory say akra bi anfa grade A school.
Okay.
O show results na show modern mo na so be start free C a. O ho kwanya so be fa C nko 8.
Omugusu omuchusu parents bi so they want to guide omoma. I mean grade from saying to saying na so choose grade. Choose grade.
Remember that question so. You need cut off point.
Okay.
You hu niam bi on TikTok say obetima fa grade 6 to 10.
You only say from 6 to 8 what?
Sadi ni ho.
Okay.
You pese yi sa adwene ni free awofo ni.
Mo betu afra.
Sadi ni ho. Kwan be so na akra ni benya ni school. E niam bebre na de akra ko school.
Okay.
Ye free bibi aggregate. Ono na ye nyina ye aggregate 6 aggregate 7 but aggregate no 6 ni nyina anyepe.
Okay.
Ye wo 6 animu odu ni wo 6 awafon. E na che. Akra no akra ni grade no okotra exams no e dia maths onya 80.
Okay.
English onya 90.
Right.
Social studies onya 75. Ni nyina ono ne friend raw score no 80 90 75 no ye beke kan best 6 ni nyina abom.
Okay.
Nti ever say unya 85 and above wenya 1. Obi benya 85 na nya 1.
Right.
Obi benya 90 wenya 1. Obi benya 95 wenya 1. Obi benya 98 wenya 1. Nti paper no so do mu nyina nya 1. Ba wo 1 na 85 no bi 1 na 90 na enyepe.
Okay.
Ono ne friend raw score. Nti raw score no ye oye exams no ye marking over 100 no unya say.
Right.
Ti ni 6 ne beke kasa marks ni nyina bom. Ya keka boma ubonza akora bi dey 700 akora bi dey 500 akora bi dey 800 indi say ye pick schools na ye koye bibi e wo secondary school fan vacancy declaration ye kwa o meche se bia Kumasi girls say science or funny per 200
okay
or per borders 150 or per day 50
okay
or can sana then the first thing is a raw squad be system nim nipa say na fa Kumasi girls nipa say na omu grade na omu raw score no ewo soro so order of merit mo am raw score ewo soro no e na obepeke mu first
right
within that since no abehwe emu dodo say na ka so mu penny day ndefa say nipa 50 penny ka so mu pedi nipa 1000 efa Kumasi girl science out of 1050 penny ka so mu pedi 950 ni nyina so mo per boarding
right
na say 50 ni because bonso bia konya aggregate 20 wo ba beba no anya chance
okay
ono na ma maybe obi wa mo yesi akra bi nya
so
wanya prempe
okay
that any neighbor until the person dey aggregate bekasa
okay.
Yeah, the raw score ekasa
right.
And the vacancy available
okay
for both day and boarding
right
so until you betime nya aggregate 6 but all co school be Wesley girls or raw score nam 700 but man for mobile Wesley girls no raw score now almost for a science program omu nyina 900 950 950 into who aggregate 6
you grade 6 wunya
enko be ya dem kwa no nya 8 wanya ni nyina 1 but you can raw score ni bom na omu anu mo call that competition omu raw score was sort of no into nya into omu ka 6 to 10 ni say it's just a guide
okay
but that's not the
reality work. Wow. Marco Usubefia, Deputy Ashanti Regional Free SHS Coordinator. Finally, Mami Nko Mami Francisca Yeboaso because of our time. Adie we koswa ye tese nkrofo se makotu eska. My say is this particular process secured in such a way say corruption sa no me koswo no ye hunu.
Yo. Yenye sa nyema no e wo free SHS. Bibia ye free fiti time amfrani be wie. Time ye be fa no is free. Na unim obi there was a time ye placement wie me corner obi gina kwam na mbisa ne say ofre me madam madwuma me ye ni o na me say adwuma bai wo si afi bia ha na me bedidi me gigiska na me de bat as say de o makwan kura ma ye ni
no mo de amman kola na aposku mo pe I see
na metu awofo ne fo se placement ne start ya ye be see a table KTI or a resolution center
okay
oba wasema wo e fa kra no baby a ya place ni bibia no mo ba ye be boa na emom no wo be wura ho no ye won krofo bi agina kwam
Guru boys
omo adwuma no Now Goro boys this time ra make a chere wo. Say afi do my yam content titi.
Obami acho.
Goro boys. Mema ya chew.
Right.
2. Oba hono ma each parent ehun say obey ko school akra wo de na ba wiase a say wo hwe no. Una wo hwe no nti no say awofo na na sa akola no a emra. I don't want to be seeing tall list from people. Oh, way, protocol list.
And also the beba.
Not under my administration.
Omo the beba
fine, but
over now party in penny food.
Party for I know how to sort them out.
Okay.
But not Goro boys. Okay. So party Nibia, I don't take anything. Okay. They can ubeti me. I don't take anything from Ubia because we are all Ghanaians.
Right.
Obi obebebia no ye protocols back from bebia ye sorti obia but so obi beji akoton de. No way.
Thank you very much, Mama Francisca Eduyabua, Ashanti Regional Free SHS Coordinator. Rosemary, your final message. Then I can share what about Ashanti Region. Message me now, my.
Na mpesa me adi kakra to the me coordinator kind about question I will be saying
right
about Sikajiji war.
Yeah.
Last year
processing.
Last year na me war resolution center no Accra.
Okay.
Yeah, place.
Sure.
There are instances where nkofo betimi aba. Omukita sika.
Bundle.
Ersun. Mami a school.
It be allowance abeju process in
exactly. But nyamini nukre like there was nobody in that center that took money from anybody. We were very disciplined.
God bless you. That's
we were very, very disciplined.
Right.
And I can stand anywhere
right
with my hands on my chest and say that. And anybody anywhere can I'm ready to defend that.
Wow.
So who said this time around there's discipline when it comes to those things.
Right.
Our challenge is they all kind of go for no. It's something that has been going on for exactly. And what we are telling parents say, you don't need to pay anybody.
Okay.
Obano wa meritia obenya.
Right.
So men first come maubia.
Okay. Right.
That's what we have. I have.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Mami Francisca, thank you very much for coming. Owusu, Nhyira will be brave.
Mr. A minute.
Just 30 seconds.
Yes. Yeah, 4 streams of students this year.
Okay.
Omo foreign students also here
okay.
Omo private son of them can be seen also here
okay.
And I omo school last 3 years.
Okay.
Into be 2003. 2023, 2024, 2025. Bibi ni no entima anko school. Omo placement na ba. Omo resolution na ye from re-entry. Na ye show mo. Na omo so ma awofo no TVET schools ni so mo mani nko ho. Na enkra ni bi wa omo direct home through the TVET system.
We'll have time to talk about TVET and Kasa, the skilled one. No? I'm very much interested. Maybe if you give me time next week. Because education here.
Na me fasa akwanya we schools need to say obia or see me person Louis me pe Monica's. We have schools like Bosumtwe girls.
Yeah.
If you could be they are doing well.
Very well.
Okay.
And it's our STEM schools need TV, most of them are doing well. Maybe a do to be a school our teachers are prepared to teach you. Say if only you are prepared to learn. They are there for you.
Right. Thank you very much for coming, Mami Francisca Eduyabua, Ashanti Regional Free SHS Coordinator, Marco Wusubefi, Deputy Ashanti Regional Free SHS Coordinator, and a National Free SHS Secretariat rep by Rosemary and also Otenenka. Yadinina Edibesi, I'll bet me a phrase to see an attraction common Miss Ron Shabby anymore. Just